How to remove phone number on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to remove phone number on Discord. So then to remove a phone number on Discord, it's pretty simple. First of all, make sure that you have updated your application. If not, head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Discord. After that, instead of open, if you see update, which indicates that the app needs to be updated, and after updating the application, click on the open button and log in into your Discord account. Once you're logged into your Discord account, you'll be directed to the home page, and to change your phone number, go to your profile, which is right at the bottom. This is going to take you to the menu page where you'll be able to see multiple options. Scroll down a bit and head over to accounts. Once you're on this page, you'll be able to see your account information. So then to change your phone number, head over to the section of phone number, tap on the arrow icon. So then to update your phone number, type in a new phone number that you wish to replace it with. So without replacing your phone number, you'll not be able to delete or remove your current phone number. After that, click on the next button. In order to verify your identity, you might be asked to type in the password associated with your Discord account. So instead of your password, sometimes you might also be asked to provide in the verification code. So copy the verification code that you've recently got and then click on the verify now button. After you're done entering the verification code, click on the verify now, and as soon as you're done entering the verification code, you have successfully changed or removed your phone number on Discord. In this way, you can remove phone number on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.